Tony. I'm here in Colorado. I'm going to do a taste test on chicken teriyaki with rice from Mountain House. We're going to do some Mountain House chicken teriyaki with rice. I already tore the top off of this thing. Look at this. This is good. Looks like dried up stuff. Yeah, that'll work. Alright. We just dump the hot water in the chicken. Stir it up. It's my MSR spork. Take out this thing. I always forget to do that. Seal it up and let it sit for, let's say 8 to 9 minutes, but because we're high altitude, we may have to let it sit a little longer. Let's open this thing up, give it a quick stir, see what it tastes like. Wow! Alright. Well, you see it in there? Rice looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Stir it up. Wow, pretty good. The rice is fully hydrated. The chicken's nice and tender. That's a pretty good teriyaki flavor, good balance. I'd say this stuff's pretty decent. So for chicken teriyaki with rice, Tool Dude versus Wild gives this thing 2 thumbs up. Here's the other one right there. It's good stuff, man. I try it.